Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you check out who is stalking you on Facebook. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, I need you guys to understand one thing, that the only way to check your stalkers or whoever is viewing your profile is only checkable through your story. Like for example, if someone is viewing your profile, there's a big possibility that they viewed your story. Of course, some people, if they're actually stalking you, they wouldn't want to be seen and they wouldn't check your story, because then they will be visible here. But that is the only authentic way to tell if somebody viewed your profile, because other than that, you can go to the app store and there you can find thousands of apps, not even thousand, but all the apps that you see probably there are gonna be fake. So if I search for like something like Facebook stalker, something like that, so I mean, now this one says find out your profile interactions, view friends and strangers, track all your activity. So I don't know if, even if there are any apps, I am pretty sure they are fake. And even if you go to Facebook's support and you check out, there's a, I think they have this um wait, let me check. Go to help center and I'm gonna search for who viewed my profile. So it says no, Facebook does not let people track who views their profile. So even Facebook has clearly stated that there is no way you can check on your stalkers. So that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.